All right, so here we go. We are in Unit 3, and today we're looking at some of the stuff from, let's see here, Assignment 3-1. Okay, so we're looking at Assignment 3-1, and let's zoom in on question 1 just a little bit here. So Nick put a quarter of the money he earned this week into a savings account. Nice job, Nick. If he earned $84, how much did he put into savings? So we're looking to find out what one box is, basically, right? Because that will be 1 out of 4 boxes, 1/4 of an amount. So this one really comes down to just some other stuff that you knew before. 84 divided by 4 will give you that. Okay. Number 2, Jade spent, how much of her money here? Jade spent 1/4 of her money on lunch. If Jade spent $9 on lunch, how much money did she have? This is the opposite of what we just did. We know that each box is worth 9, so you could put a 9 in each one. And then, since we have 4 9s here, we know that 9 times 4 gets us 36. So we have $36 for Jade. And that's how much money she has. Okay, number 3, 2/3 of the students in the 9th grade went to the homecoming dance. If there are 240 students in the 9th grade, how many 9th graders went to the homecoming dance? Okay, so this is kind of like our 2-step problem here. Very similar. We have the whole, and we're looking to identify the parts, right? And we're specifically looking to identify what is 2/3 of the 9th grade. So if you have 240 and we have 3 boxes here, that becomes a situation where we're dividing 240 by 3, which, if Mr. Cicero has taught me correctly, that would be 80. And so if each box is 80, right, then all we have to do from this point is say, okay, how much is 2 boxes worth then? And so that's 80 times 2, which will give us 160 students. Right? Oh, that's terrible, students. Okay, next slide. Number 4, okay, Luke, you ate half a package of chocolate chip cookies while you were watching the Patriots game. Now, if Luke ate 6 cookies, how many were in the pack? All right, so we have some information here to work with. So each box is worth 6, because that's what it says right there. And then I know 6 and a 6 makes 12. So there were 12 cookies in the pack. Okay, next. I think you're getting the idea here. I'll probably do a couple more, and then I'll leave some for you. Okay, so what is 3/4 of 20? Very nice. We have a 20. We have 4 boxes. 20 divided by 4 gets us 5 for each box, right? I think you've seen one like this before. So what is 3 out of the 4 worth then? So 15 is our answer there. Okay. I think I'll let you do the next one there, and I'll let you do that one as well. Okay, this is kind of like, where it really where it really matters here. Can you build your own model, and can you take a real life problem and apply it and come up with an answer? So let's see, number 8, Autumn worked for 1/3 of an hour on a social studies assignment. Way to go, Autumn. How many minutes did Autumn work on the assignment? So we have to ask ourselves a few things here. First of all, do we know the whole? How many parts are we breaking this up into? So I know that the whole, it said she worked for 1/3 of an hour. And we know that an hour is 60 minutes there. So I'm going to make that my whole. And then we're breaking this up into thirds, right? 1/3. So we're going to make 3 boxes. And I'm looking to find out what 1/3 is worth, right? So if we go back to some of these ideas from Unit 2 and our part-whole models, We take 60 divided by 3 because we have 3 boxes, right? 60 divided by 3 is what? What's that? 20? Okay, so how many minutes did Autumn work on the assignment? 20 minutes. Okay, and why don't you write out your sentence there too. Next one, Taya, reading a mystery novel. She's read half of it. And if she already read 120 pages, how many more pages are in the novel? Okay, so let's see here. We don't know the whole. That's what it's asking. How many pages are in the novel? And she read half, 1/2. How many boxes are we going to put underneath there? 2 boxes. And we're looking to find out how much one of them, we already know what one of them is. It's right here, 125, right? Let me get a different color. So that's 125, and since these boxes are the same, they have to be 125 as well. So then, with this and with this, we can get up to that. So how much is this then? X equals 250, and so you can answer that problem with a complete sentence now. Okay, let's see what we got left here. 10. We'll let you do 10. Last one, a little bit of review. Sketch the graph of a quadratic function. Okay. That opens downward. So we can just have something simple as that. Right? Done. Number 12. Use the model to solve this equation. Well, I know that this much is 3 less than 15. So this has got to be 12. And since this is 12 and these boxes are equal, 12 divided by 2 is 6. So I know that x equals 6 there. Good review problem. Last one. We'll leave that one there for you guys as well, and that will be the end of just a little assistance with assignment 3-1. Come see us if you have any questions.